Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Temples tutorial. This is episode number 5. Today we're going to review how to clear your browsing data. So your problem exists where you'd like to take a screenshot with your Chromebook and you hold down several keys. You hold down the Control and Shift keys on your left side of your keyboard and you tap the Show Windows key, which can be found directly above the 6 key here. Once you tap that, your screen should go dim and you can select a portion of your screen with your cursor. Now, if you're not able to take a screenshot, a partial screenshot, or full screenshot, maybe it's time for you to shut down your computer. You want to go into the bottom right of your computer, your Chromebook. There's a little settings panel down here. And in that tray, you'll see a little bit of a button right there, a little semicircle with the line vertically sticking out the top. That's the shutdown. And you want to go ahead and shut down your Chromebook, power it all the way down. So when you turn it back on, it resets your software. Now, in the event that you've done that and you still can't take a screenshot, then I would suggest you clear your browsing data. And here's how we're going to do it. Everybody go ahead and look on the top right of your screen. Right above your profile pic, there will be 3 vertical buttons. When you click those 3 vertical dots, you'll come to another pull down menu and you want to hit settings. Go ahead and click on settings. From there, you want to select something that's regarding security or safety. Let's look for a shield somewhere on the screen. Do you see it? It's over on the left side. Here we are. Let's check privacy and security. Let's see if it's in there. Now, again, we're looking at clear browsing data. If you found it, it's located right in the middle. Here it is. Go ahead and click anywhere in this region. You can see by the cursor of a hand with an index finger sticking up, you can click there. Now, would you like to go back and clear the last hour of your browsing data? Where have you been for the last hour? Have you been to a website like Amazon or Google, or maybe you've been to physics.com or chemistry.net? Would you like to clear it in the last 24 hours, 7 days, maybe let's do all time. You would really want to scour your computer nice and clean. It'll get rid of your browsing, which websites you've been to, and any downloaded stuff. Go ahead and click the clear data button. You're all set. That should do it for today's video. Enjoy.